Hi Gujjus, hi non-Gujjus. Today we are making pigeon peas with besan gravy. You can also make black chickpeas and cowpeas with same way. I wonder who has named these things. Pigeon peas, chickpeas, horse peas, cow peas. Are they even vegetarian? It has to be. Surprisingly, they all grow on plants. You know, pigeons are very interesting creatures. Did you ask why? Because I have watched this.
I have something that can help. It's called biodynamic concealment. Imagine if I can make you disappear. Hey, Lance, look at me.
Look at you? I can see my butt and your face at the same time.
That is so cool. Being a pigeon can make you an even better spy. Pigeons are everywhere and nobody notices them. In fact, pigeons can see in slow motion.
That was tight.
Did anyone else see a pigeon? And pigeons can fly up to 92 miles per hour.
Don't you throw me off this roof!
He'll figure it out.
Boom. All right, Kimura, starting. It's about to get messy. Time to go. Sleepy night-night. I miss my hands. I gotta stay.
We have different skill sets. That's what makes us such a great team.
Walter, you're squeezing too. Oh! What happens in the submarine stays in the submarine.
So what have we learned today? Pigeons are very cool. Pigeons can see in front and back at the same time, and that's why we can't catch them. Also, they can fly 92 miles per hour. That is fast. Pigeons can also see in slow motion. And yeah, important thing. Pigeon peas have nothing to do with pigeons. So let's see how to make them.
Let's take 1 cup of pigeon pea
Why are you saying like that?
for dramatic effect. I have soaked them overnight in hot water. Let's pressure cook it. Add half teaspoon salt, pinch of baking soda and little oil.
Wait. Why baking soda and oil?
Baking soda helps cook pigeon peas better, and because of oil, pressure cooker will not overflow. But you have to mix it very well. Now pressure cook it for 10 whistles. It has been 10 whistles. Look at the cooker. Does it even look used? It is because of my trick. Let's take it out because we are going to make curry in the same cooker. Look at it. They are very well cooked.
While she prepares for the curry, let me take half cup of curd and whisk it out in a bowl. This is very critical to make smooth gravy.
Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add some whole spices. I have taken few cloves, cinnamon stick and bay leaf. Add some mustard seeds and cumin seeds and few curry leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Mix it well and cook it till light brown. Now add half cup of curd which was prepared by my husband and mix it very well. Add spices now: turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and salt to taste. Mix well and cook till it releases oil. Then add boiled pigeon peas and mix thoroughly.
Mixing, just keep mixing.
Now I have added 2 tablespoons of jaggery to balance out the curd. You can add little less if you want. Bring it to boil and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, consistency should look like this. It is ready now. You can turn off the flame.
Let me take it out. It goes really well with rice, chapati or 3D dosa. This is 3D dosa. Have you had that? By the way, this is traditional Gujarati wedding recipe. Wow, it's really yummy. You must try it. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Love, peace and Dhokla from GujjuChefs.